Hey guys, it's Riley with XKGLOW, and we just finished installing our XKmax 7-inch headlights in this Jeep JK, and now I'm going to show you how to adjust the beam height, which is honestly the most important step when installing new headlights in your Jeep. It's only going to take a couple tools to do this. You're going to need a tape measure, a Torx Bit, specifically T15 if you're doing it to a JK, and then if you have a sticky note or a piece of tape, this will really come in handy. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Jeep and we're gonna park it 25 feet away from a large flat surface. That can be a wall, garage door, building, anything close to you, and you really wanna make sure you put your headlights right at 25 feet away from that surface. Then we're gonna take our tape measure and we are actually gonna measure the height from the ground up to our headlight bulb. So I will go ahead and do that now. And on this Jeep, I'm getting right at about 38 inches. So once you have this measurement, you're gonna go over to the wall and you're gonna set your maximum beam height up to that 38 inches to make sure these headlights are level and you're not blinding all the oncoming traffic coming at you. I'm gonna go ahead and get the initial measurement of the headlights from the ground to the highest point right up against the wall. So I've got about 36 inches, so we're gonna need to move these headlights up a little bit. This is where that sticky note or that piece of tape will come in handy. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this at 38 inches because I know that's the height I'm gonna need the beam to. That way when we're adjusting it, we don't have to do a bunch of running back and forth. We're just gonna adjustment straight up to this sticky note. So stick that to the wall, and then we're gonna head back to the Jeep and start adjusting. Once we're over here to the Jeep, we're going to take our Torx Bit and we're gonna locate the adjustment screw on the headlight housing. For the JKs, there's only gonna be one of them, and it's gonna be on the outside and top of the headlight. Once you find that screw, we need to come up a couple inches, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten it and reference off of that sticky note or your piece of tape, and we're really just gonna raise it up until we hit the sticky note. After we've got this first headlight adjusted, we're going to get rid of our Torx Bit, grab the tape measure, go back to the wall, and we're going to move the sticky note over to do the passenger side headlight. I'm gonna grab the Torx Bit and do the same exact process here on the passenger side headlight. Before we get the Jeep put back together, we're gonna come over here to the wall and we're just gonna triple check our measurements one more time to be sure we've got these set to the correct height, which is gonna be 38 inches on both headlights. And after we do that, we're good to put the Jeep back together, but it is very important to check your local laws. Be sure that you're setting your headlights to the height regulations in your area. And guys, if you want to see more about these headlights, you can click this video here as we did a full install on them. And if you want to see more about our lighting in general, be sure to subscribe and check us out at xkglow.com.